Welcome to DTutors YouTube channel, where we teach you everything you need to know about financial markets and making money online. I am so excited to have you and can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you because I've been in the market since 2017. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and create a successful online business, then you have come to the right place. Our videos are designed to both be informative and engaging, providing you with the practical tips and strategies that can help you to implement right away. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game and take control of your financial future, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Now, you won't afford to miss the next video coming. All you need to do is to stay connected. Now, thanks for stopping by and see you in the video. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Orbital Finance. Now, Orbital Finance is going to be conducting an upcoming airdrop in the future. Now, this is what to do to be able to qualify for this airdrop. Now, Orbital Finance is a platform where you do bridging from Ethereum layer 1 to different other layer 2 platforms. Now, you can bridge from Ethereum layer 1 to ZK Sync, to Optimism, to Arbitrum, or to Polygon, ZK EVM, different layer 2 network. This is where you can do all of these platforms. As you can see, this is the website, which is Orbital Finance. And once you click on this website, orbital.finance, you find yourself here. So once you find yourself here, we can actually do it on the testnet or on the mainnet, but I'll actually do it on the mainnet. The main thing is for you to do it on the mainnet so you can qualify for the airdrop. So now, as you can see right here, what I'm seeing here is Ethereum network. So I have to change from Ethereum network to okay, this is Ethereum. If you want to do different tokens, you can interact with Ethereum, USDC, USDT, and DAI. These are stable coins. Then from which network, this is Ethereum network, then you can choose. These are different networks that it's currently supporting at the moment. As you can see, ZK Sync Era, ZK Sync Lite. I know you might be confused with this. ZK Sync Era is the 2.0 mainnet of ZK Sync. Then why the ZK Sync Lite is their 1.0 mainnet. So don't be confused. It's the same network, but it's different network. Sorry, different network, but has a different name. All right, you can see Polygon, ZK EVM. You can see Polygon, Arbitrum Nova, Loopring, Optimism. These are different platforms you can actually interact with on this platform. So right here, we are choosing a ZK Sync Era because I have some token on ZK Sync Era network. We are moving Ethereum. You can actually move different tokens. As you can see, we are moving on ZK Sync Era. You can only move Ethereum. So where are we sending it to? We are sending it to Arbitrum network. So the reason why I'm choosing Arbitrum network is because of the fee. It's going to be very little. I'm going to pay little or no fees. So that is why I'm choosing those two options. The next thing there is to click on you can see gas fee. It will take up to 4 hours for you to just pay attention to this. Gas fees about $5. The gas fee is about $5. The time spent is going to be saved up to 4 hours. So let's click on max because I want to move everything to Arbitrum network. Let's see if we can do this as fast as possible. All right, as you can see, everything has already interchanged. We are moving Ethereum from ZK Sync Era to Arbitrum network. Very simple. I click on send. This is how simple this thing is. You can actually read some of the things here. As you're doing this, please read. It is very important to read. You can see the fees, total amount you're sending. You can see, please do not modify this transaction or remove the last 4 digits of the transfer amount in your wallet, as this will cause the transaction to fail. These are caution messages you need to pay attention to. So let's click on confirm and send. So let's wait. Okay, you can see it brings us to this option. You click on confirm. You're trying to confirm the transaction. You can see on top here, our transaction is actually initiating. As you can see, we're actually moving our Ethereum from ZK Sync Era to Arbitrum. So we are actually interacting with Orbital Finance. So whenever Orbital Finance do airdrop, potentially we can qualify for this airdrop. So this is how simple, amazing this thing is. Very easy. You can see how easy it is. this thing will not take you up to 5 minutes, you're done. So taking advantage of stuff like this can make sense, participating in all of these protocol early in the stage. All right, thank you for watching this video, and see you on our next video.